Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add subscribe button on video when you share a subscribe link. First of all, open your YouTube application and hit on the your channel from the left. Then copy your YouTube URL from the top. Now open any notes you have, or you can also go through the online notes. Now paste that copied link and then type $sub confirmation and then equals to 1. If you add this on your YouTube URL and send it to others, you will see an add subscribe button when anyone opens that link. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.